your outdoor unit and your indoor unit are going to go into defrost mode. You might be hearing some unexpected noises coming from the head, which is this unit right here. It could sound like crackling, any noises that you wouldn't usually hear from a heat pump. What it's doing is it's sending all the hot gas that's inside this head, and it's sending it out the pipes to the outdoor unit, because you're going to have ice, all that kind of build up on your outdoor unit coil. So it's sending the hot gas from here to the outdoor unit, to the outdoor coil, which is melting all the ice off. When your heat pump head goes into defrost mode, it's going to stop blowing hot air. So it'll be around 5-10 minutes probably, and it probably won't close up, but it'll stop blowing hot air, and you won't feel anything coming out of the head. You might feel a tiny little draft, but there's going to be nothing coming out of the head. So if you see this and you're thinking, oh no, my heat pump's broken, if it's in the wintertime, it's probably just defrost mode.